Hey everyone, it's Shelly. I am going to be taking you through some green screen on iOS iMovie tricks today. I have gotten so many requests for how to do more editing on iPhone, iPad, iOS devices, all of the, you know what I'm saying. So we are going to do that today. This is going to be for all of you who are editing on some sort of mobile device or iPod or anything like that. Let's go ahead and jump into it. There's a few things that I want to touch on and maybe some tips and tricks that we are going to learn along the way. So if you're interested in that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Would love to have you be part of the journey and the family. If you want to sign up for channel memberships, there's a button below. Hit that join button and it will take you to a video explaining how all of those levels work. On-screen mention is always going to go, it's over here, isn't it? On-screen mention is going to go to my platinum channel members. Thank you so much to TubeBuddy for being a platinum channel member. And last thing we have to say, if you need additional help with iMovie, I have an entire course called iMovie Made Easy, and it is going to take you through all the ins and outs of editing with iMovie. All of that being said, let's jump into, I'm going old school. I'm bringing up my iPhone 10 and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. All right, one of the very first things that I'm going to do is actually record a clip that we are going to be editing in iMovie. That makes sense, right? Now I've taken the liberty of doing that. One little trick that we're gonna do though, I actually recorded it in vertical. Come on now, I am the vertical video vixen, so how could you expect me to always, not always, if I want to take a tutorial, I'm gonna show it to you vertically, and also because it takes up this side of the screen, I thought it would be best if I show you something that is taking up the whole screen, if that makes sense. All right, so let me get into this. All right, so I want to show you, I actually recorded a clip already, and it's just basically me saying like, hey, subscribe to this channel, something like that, so that you would typically hear a YouTuber say. So I've already got that clip, and we are going to be doing this in iMovie. But first, before we do that, we're gonna make a pit stop over on a very, very good friend of ours, and that is Instagram. And you want to know why? I'm going to show you. We're going to open up Instagram. We're going to go to the stories section like we're going to post a story, but we're not. And here we go. We're going to go to the plus sign. I swear they move everything around, right? We're going to go to story. Hey, I'll take a quick selfie. Okay. That's an awful picture. Okay, real quick. It doesn't matter what's on screen. We're going to go hit green, select this, and bam. Green screen. That was an awful picture. How could you guys let me have that up there for so long? Okay, so we're gonna hit done. Why are we doing this? There's a good reason. Because iMovie, luckily, is one of the few programs when you're editing on your phone that supports green screen, and because this is a green screen in iMovie tutorial, it would make sense. Okay, so we're gonna do a green screen. One thing to keep in mind, we are doing vertical video, right? So, one thing that's interesting about that is technically iMovie on iOS devices doesn't really support vertical video. But there is a caveat and a workaround, and if you never caught that video, I'm gonna link it up here in the card so you can take a peek how to edit vertical video inside of iMovie. It's basically a pinch, zoom, twisting type of motion, and if you want more details, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So one thing to keep in mind, even though it's going to end up being vertical, it's going to be in on its side and rotated, so this is all stuff that we have to keep in mind. Don't get confused, because even though it's vertical, we're gonna rotate it when we're editing it, and then rotate it after, so we need it to make sense while it's on its side. Does that make sense? I feel like that was a lot. You'll see what I mean. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go up to the Gif Library, and once we do that, bam. All right, so let's say, there's some good ones here. Let's say, oh, this little pink envelope, hearts. We're gonna add this. So we're going to think about where this is going to be in relation to the video that we just took, the clip. And I think it might be fun to actually have a couple of these down towards the bottom. And I'm gonna repeat and actually add one more of those. Maybe I'll add the thank you real quick because I saw that and that was really cute too. We're gonna have a thank you, and that's got little hearts, right? Then all we're gonna do is download this video to our camera roll. thank you Instagram for giving us a green screen that we can apply to our video. So we're going to go into iMovie. All right, now that we've launched iMovie, we are going to hit create a project and we're going to create a movie. Once we do that, we're going to select our first clip there. Let's just select one, doesn't really matter what it is, and we're going to hit create movie. Now you can see that it was shot vertically and iMovie doesn't really support that, so we're just going to twist with our fingers here on the screen. Hopefully you can kind of see where it does that. All of a sudden now my video is flipped on its side. This is the secret to editing vertical video. I guess you don't have to go watch that other video. That is the secret. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in that green screen video that we just did from Instagram. We're going to hit the plus button all the way on the left. And we're going to go to, let's see here, hopefully it's under video recently added. Yeah, that looks good. There is my green screen and we are going to, oh, you know what? We forgot one thing. I knew this. I got to tell you about this first. All right, so in your camera roll, this is vertical. If we bring this into iMovie right now, let me show you what this looks like. It's not going to be lined up in the correct place. Now I'm going to show you how to fix it. We're going to go to the triple dots. We're going to hit green, blue screen and apply it. You're going to see that it's up and down, and now you can't see that little thank you or that envelopes, right? And that is because even though you can rotate the video on the bottom, the overlay itself for green screen, you can't rotate, but no problem there. We're gonna we'll leave it there for 1 second. What you can do is go back to your photos, and from here we're gonna edit. Keep in mind the direction that your video was edited. So we're gonna go to the rotate button. We're gonna throw this guy on its side so this makes sense, vertically on its side, horizontally this way. Otherwise it would be upside down on top of my head and upside down. We don't want that. We're gonna go back to iMovie. We're gonna show you what this one looks like. Go back to that plus button, click on that same clip. Hopefully, sometimes you have to refresh it, go back to the recently added. There we go. Now it looks like it's got the right one. And we're gonna triple dot it, green, blue screen again. Now you're gonna see it has applied that, and now you can have those two GIFs from Instagram on your vertical video. So this is a really great way, if it's a transparent image, to take it from Instagram or somewhere else and be able to put it on your video. All right, you guys ready for the next one? Here we go. We're gonna go back to Instagram. Let's go ahead and get rid of these guys. You're just dragging those to the trash. So the next thing that we could do is, if there was, let's say, let's go to YouTube and grab a comment. You see that sometimes you want to have a comment and put it on your screen. Let's go do that. We're going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go into my comments and we'll select this one. Here we go. You're great and helpful. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice. I'm going to do a screenshot by doing the power button and the top volume button. You should see a flash here on the screen and bam. Yes, hopefully? Yes. All right, now we're going to go in and we are going to do an edit on this and bring it down into the smallest part. Ba-bam, ba-bam. That looks good right there. We're going to hit done and save this to our photos. Now, actually, this is a trick. You may not know this. We're going to go back into Instagram. Now we're going to go to our photos. Right here, it should be the last one that we just did. You can go to the to the little airplane looking guy here, and then we can copy photo. You can go straight from there into your next, and you can do paste and you can add it like a sticker. So that's one way you can add something here. Another way is if you go to the little sticker icon up here, and we cancel this, the camera icon, and right next to it is the photo album. So if you went there, you could actually also add your photo there. This is a great way you could do it if you have tons of different comments, so we can do that. We'll just do this here. We'll add this one here, and we'll go this one here, and we'll turn it a little bit. Let's just pretend like these are lots of different comments. We'll do something like that. That looks good. Okay, now one thing I have noticed is that if you have a photo, even if you do the trick where you try to turn it on its side, it just freaks out and doesn't do well with it. So instead of fighting it, the easiest thing to do is make sure it's like a video and just add any other GIF or something that you would just hide behind one of the little photos that you added on. So that way it's an actual video and not a still frame. Hope that makes sense. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this happy one, and it's not actually gonna show up. We're gonna put it behind, kind of do this here and plug on that. Now let's download this as a video. Now, if you didn't know, the white bar that's across the bottom, you can actually just slide your finger, and instead of having to kind of raise your finger and go sliding side to side to different apps, you can actually just slide along the bottom here, which is actually a really cool thing. We're going to come in here. We've got this last one. It's a video. We're going to come in. We're going to edit this and turn this guy on its side, which you guys know how to do already. We're going to go into the edit tools. We're going to hit done. I'm going to heart this just in case so I don't lose it. We're going to go back to iMovie, hit the plus sign. We're going to go in and we are going to add that in as a green blue screen. Should be on its side here. And there we go. Now you've got comments. If you wanted to illustrate someone's comments on your short or vertical video, YouTube video, whatever, now you know how to do that as well. And you have got these cute little GIFs as well. Are you guys ready to make it rain or snow or something like that? Here we go. You're gonna scroll back to Instagram. We're gonna go look for some sparkles. We're gonna add a couple of those. And they can be in different sizes. I can get rid of this happy now. We don't need that one. All right, we're looking pretty starry night here. We're just gonna download this. You guys get the drill by now, right? Make sure we go into our camera roll and rotate it and then keep applying. Here we go. And we have special effects. We got making it rain. You've got your own little like Kira Kira sparkle, right? Kind of cool. So this can also be if you wanted to add confetti or, you know, balloons or whatever. I mean, sky's the limit there when it comes to all of that, what you see on Instagram under GIFs. Now, if you stuck around this long, there's one more that I'm going to show you. And for anyone who's ever been like, I want a subscribe button, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a subscribe button to your YouTube video. You guys ready? Guess where we're going? You got it. We're coming back to Instagram. Should we leave the stars up just for fun? YT subscribe. If you guys haven't seen that, I've got my own keyboard shortcuts for things I use a lot. YT gives me YouTube. You know what? I think this is actually mine right here. That's so funny. I think this is actually my subscribe button. In fact, I am sure it is. Because if you look on my Giphy account, I think this particular guy has several million views already. So, all right, we're going to put this here. We're going to download it. We're going to go back to the camera roll. Let me see that camera roll. We're going to rotate. We're going to go back into iMovie. And what do you know? When you play it back, what do you got?
I just finished
Subscribe to
filming
the
a
channel.
Clubhouse Etiquette 101 video.
You're welcome.
I hope you guys
That's the
enjoy
easiest
it
subscribe
and go
animation
check it out.
button inserting into a movie you've ever had to do. So do you guys love me yet? I mean, come on now. That was, I don't even know how many, that was like 5 different ways to use green screen on your phone. You're welcome, all just using Instagram. It's pretty cool. Now that is gonna work with anything if you wanna copy and paste your own stickers, if you wanted to do GIFs, if you wanted to do, you know, any kind of video, basically, if you almost wanted to add your own photos or video, you could do that. Same method. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like, subscribe. Oh wow, you could have this basically if you found it up on Instagram or on Giphy. Did it against a green screen. There you go. You could do it from getting stuff on Giphy as well. There you go. Come find me on my social medias. Come hang out. It is Shelly Saves the Day on almost all platforms. And I will see you guys next Thursday if you tune in to the live stream for tips, tricks, tutorials, which is Triple T Thursday, and next Sunday for another video. Bye guys.